Okay guys, and on this kind of a box as well in the cabinet, you got to take the ears off. Again, you need to take off these ears right here, like we did on the dishwasher disposal metal boxes. But anyway, let's take these off. If not, this will make your plate stick out off the wall. So you'll know if you forgot to do this. The plate won't sit flat against the cabinet. Okay, so you should look like that when you're done. These top ones do not have to come off on this one, only on those industrial covers that we did on the last video for the disposal. Let me clean that off too. So there's your nice new outlet. Okay guys, let's get you up here where you can see our box again. Okay, got it wrapped around. The green, the bear on the, that bear on the green. Again, the white on the silver screws. Okay, you want to tighten them down now. Oops, did I push you out of the video? I hope not. That wire's coming out, but we'll push it back in. Okay. The black on the bronze hair screw, or gold, whatever people want to call it, brass. That goes on the black. Black wire goes on those colors, gold screws. Okay, now push the wire back up and fold the wire down. This is the one where it's harder on these boxes because they're shallow. They're a very shallow box designed just for this application. And on this one, I use the cordless. So then you screw it in. Oh man, can't be doing that on the, don't want to scratch the new island. Okay guys, now you get a cover. Gonna cover that. Yep. Okay. I just noticed the one next door is brown, so it'll get a brown outlet and cover, depending on the color of the island. Okay guys, there is how to install your island outlet. So that's the island. Looks good. Let's come back. Now you have an island and you have an outlet in it. So if you ever want to put something up on there and plug it in, you just set it on the countertop there, reach down and plug it in. To restore the power, you'll want to come over to the GFI that it came from, okay? And you'll want to push reset. And then that will restore power to your island outlet. And it'll keep it GFI protected because it came off of your last one off of the kitchen on the rough, which we show. Okay guys, that wraps up the island for the island outlet, the dishwasher, the disposal, and everything that'll need to be done for the island is completed. We'll show again. Switch under here for the disposal. It's plugged in. We're just waiting for the dishwasher to come. So, any others, let us know. Please like, hit the like button, subscribe, share with a friend, comment below, ask questions on what you'd like to see done or how to wire anything. This is Kobe and Taylor. We are the master electricians. See you next time, and hopefully we can hook something up for you. Have a good day. Bye.